What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to spend some time cleaning the garage. I know it sounds very exciting, but it's something that's needed to happen for a while now. It's been a huge mess, and as you see, if you pay attention to the last couple of videos, more stuff's showing up. My really good friends Clint and Lori are retired now and relocated to Mexico, so he left me some stuff, cleaning supplies, some motor oil, you know, stuff that I use quite often. But congratulations to them on their retirement, and you know, hope to see you guys every year or so when you come up to visit. Love you guys. Thanks again for everything and being one of the big factors in convincing me to move here to Las Vegas. So the garage again is a huge mess. I want to clean things up in preparation for the TC. I know it's been a while since you've seen or heard any updates. I've been waiting for Ruben to finish painting the hood, or actually fix the hood, paint it, and also paint the roof and the spoiler. He is very close to being done, so I do want to clean up the garage and make enough space to where I can work on and continue this project. I also wanted to say thank you to all the customers that have been ordering parts from M2 Motoring / Garage Unique USA. I'm officially out of stock on the 1617 Honda Accord front center lip. Have more coming in, but currently completely out of stock. Thank you to everybody that's been ordering. Really do appreciate the business, and hopefully I can help you on some of your other needs on parts. So back to the garage. Need to clear all this up today and clear some stuff back there so I can move some more stuff around. I also have more other parts coming in, so it's going to be a little bit of a job today, and I also do need to ship some stuff out, so let's get to it. And if you haven't already, if you could do me a huge favor, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're still doing the 1,000 subscriber merch giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe to this channel, follow our socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away some merch. That's real simple. That's all you got to do. Or if you want to pick up some merch and purchase some, just hit up our online store. It's in the link is in the description below. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and jump right into this and see how this all shapes out. I do need to clear enough space to move the S2000 back, I hope, and then also be able to move the TC over, so when the parts come back from Ruben, he can help me install the hood. I'm usually by myself, and it's easier with two people to put a hood and roof panel back on. So you can see the Mustang is out in the street, so it gave me a little bit more room to work and put things away. Most of the fluids are in the cabinet. A lot of the stuff that I'm using maybe once or twice more is in that box. It's stuff that's mostly empty, and once it's all done, then that box will go away, so that's nice. Started organizing, putting stuff away. It's extremely hot today. I am sweating. The table is cleared off for the most part, so gonna start reorganizing and getting this squared away. Making progress. The big headache is that area there and everything that's on the S2. But yeah, making progress. I'm pretty happy.
One pathetic sob story later.
It's been extremely hot in the garage, but I did clean it up a bit. I know it doesn't look like clean it up, but it actually is. As you can see, there's less stuff behind the TC. But what I need to do is actually the oil change on the XB. So I'm gonna pull the car in the garage, do the oil change, and kind of go from there. As you saw in the time lapse, the oil is currently draining. Drain plug goes bit tight for my taste, but I was the last one to do an oil change, so I blame myself for that. The car now is at 170,000 miles. I do want to check some of the fluid levels. The brake fluid level is okay. I know you really can't see it in the camera. And the coolant level, I could top off just a bit, so I'm going to do that. But yeah, my brother was driving the car earlier today, so it was really hot, and it is hot here in the garage. So I gave him about an hour after he got back to let it cool down enough to where I wouldn't burn myself. But yeah, as you watched in the previous video on how to do an oil change for an XB, it's pretty straightforward. This car is super easy because it's missing a couple clips, couple bolts, whatever, through the previous owner and myself. Is what it is. This car overall has been very reliable. The air conditioning works amazing. This car has been just the best, I guess, interstate, between state cruiser. No power by any means, but fuel economy, the efficiency, and the way gas is right now, couldn't be happier with this car. It's a great decision to keep it. I was originally thinking about getting rid of it, but keeping it for now is the better decision. So I'm just gonna let the fluids drain for another, or the oil drain for another minute or so, and then cap that off. But in the meantime, I'm probably just gonna top off the coolant reservoir tank. So you can see in the video and the time lapse, just waiting to get all the oil out of that container. The XB is a 4-quart engine, technically a 3.9, but 4 is fine, it's not going to hurt anything. But yeah, just topping it off with some STP high mileage oil, 5W30. Topped off the coolant reservoir, so we're good there. So everything else we're pretty much good. Just waiting to get the last drops out of that oil and then put the oil cap back on and start it up. Outside, the only thing I have left to do is just clean up, pour the old oil into that container so I could take it for recycling, and just, yeah, clean up. So you can see it's pretty hot. I'm sweating the whole time. It's getting pretty warm out here in Las Vegas. Thanks again for watching the video. Definitely do appreciate it. Apologize on the short, kind of random video. Not a whole lot's been going on lately. Been working on a lot of stuff in the background, like I said in the last video, that I can't wait to share with you. But I'm hoping I can share with you soon, because there's been some really good updates on the back end. I'm just waiting for things to follow its process. So things are looking great. Yeah, I'm excited. But until next time, you guys take care. Thanks so much for watching.